Hello, Elizabeth Monroy here with InfiniteHuman.com, and I just want to take a moment to tell you a little tidbit about my esoteric tour here in Florence. And one of the most important things is that during the Renaissance, it was a rebirth of ancient Greek and Roman culture, art, literature, and one of the biggest masters that was followed and translated were the works of Plato. And a Neoplatonistic society was formed by the Cosmos de Medicis, and Cosmos de Medici and Lorenzo de Medici, and Marsilio Ficino was in charge of it. And one of the most important ideas that Plato put forth that was rebirthed in the Renaissance was the idea of the great year, or the precession of the equinox. And it was the understanding that our solar system, revolved around the great galactic sun, and as we grew closer to it, we ascended in consciousness. We experienced a golden age. We experienced a elevated consciousness, peace, love, understanding, in which we are now doing in the age of Aquarius. And during the descending cycles, or the dark ages, or the iron ages, we were furthest away, and we were dense, and we had a very low, unevolved consciousness, which happened during the dark ages. And we'll talk a little bit about Dante and his role in helping us move into this higher age, because basically all of the enlightened beings, all of the poets, artists, artifacts that we are seeing, the architecture is all talking about this age we are now entering, the golden age, the age of Aquarius. So it's a fascinating time, and I'll bring to light more of that in my esoteric tour here in Florence, Italy.